Hi guys, I'm Shariq Jaferani from Patisserie, and today we are collaborating with Bori Ali to make a gorgeous Medusa head cake for you. So speaking a little bit about Patisserie, we are an authentic French patisserie based in Pune, and our philosophy is to promote modern French cakes here in India. So what we are going to do today is make a surreal looking or a hyper realistic looking cake which is in the form of a Medusa's head for you, which has a white chocolate vanilla mousse in it. So this is where Bori Ali comes in with their gorgeous silicone molds, and we'll be using those today to make a beautiful cake for you. Right now I'm making the mousse, which is a white chocolate mousse. In here we've got the milk and the chocolate, and we'll be making a white chocolate mousse now. So yeah, that's the Medusa's head now. We're going to be finishing it with a velvet spray. So what ideally is a velvet spray is a mix of cocoa butter and chocolate. And again, there comes Bori Ali with their airless compressor, which is going to help us get that flawless finish on the cake. So let's have a look at it. So here's what we have created today, a Medusa's head. Who would have thought a cake would look so pretty? And that's all because of amazing silicone molds. A beautiful silicone mold can help you get amazing end results, beautiful and elevated cakes, just like this. Thank you so much for watching today. And do let us know what you think about this cake, and if you would like to see some other designs or some other ideas that you would have, drop them in the comment section below.